Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with a project share. I was with Mrs Gigi on her channel yesterday, which was Wednesday, July 23rd, 2021. And what we do is we go live with prompt games. This is not one. And we usually do 2 rounds of prompts. And we do the same thing on my channel on Thursdays at 10 a.m. We do both channels at 10 a.m. Wednesday 10 a.m. on Mrs. Gigi, 11 a.m. on Thursday, 10 a.m. on Thursdays on my channel. And mine is called Scrap It with Mrs. Gigi. Okay? And this is the 2 iCats that I done. And on round 1, here's round 1. Okay? We had fringe. We had a Q-tip. People. I used Tim Holtz. Most of the stuff is Tim Holtz. I scribbled some swirls and some dots with some little buttons. You see, I doodled all my buttons in because that's one of the prompts here. Then we have brown, which I did this for the brown. And we had a stamp, so I put a postage stamp. Here's the stamp. Okay. For round 2, we did this one, which we had a ribbon. I put 2 ribbons here. One's purple, one's red. Then we had jute here. Then we had a map. I put my map of Sweden. And then we had the color gold, which I did like sort of over here. Then we did circles. We used fingers to paint, so I used my waxes from Spectrum Art. And then we used the doily, but I kind of like drew mine in over here. Okay, so that's the prompts for June 23rd, 2021. And I will try to link the video right up here and down below in the description box. So, here you go. Here's my prompts for that day and my projects for that day. So, I will say this in closing. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content or when I go live. If you hear that, it's just my printer. Also, please be kind, be blessed, be crafty, be loving, and I will see you. Happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget. I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye.